I'm a Little Cat by Helmut Spanner. Translated by Robert Kimber. I am a little cat. I usually lie near Christine's bed in the morning and wait for her to get up. This is Christine. When I'm hungry, she feeds me. She gives me warm milk and fresh meat. I've jumped up on the sink, and I'm trying to catch drops of water. Will I get one? Birds are taking a bath outside. I'd like to chase them away. I hope Christine will let me out soon. While sharpening my claws, I see a mole. He has dug up a big pile of dirt. How did this hedgehog get in the yard? I'd like to play with him, but his quills are very sharp. I pay a visit to my friend the bunny. We sniff each other. Too bad he's locked in his cage. There's another little cat the same age as I am. She visits me every day. It's fun to wrestle together. I see a mouse running in the neighbor's yard. I go after it. Whoops, it's gone. The dog has chased me up on the roof. I'm afraid. My heart is pounding. I want to go home. Christine has brought me back into the house. She's petting me. I'm happy and I purr. I'm alone and I'm washing myself. The moon is shining through the window. Should I go out in the yard again?